SpaceX. Back at home, we all have a lot of work to do, but from here, Earth sure looks like a perfect world.
Stage 2 LARC's load is complete.
Dragon is in countdown.
Dragon, SpaceX, go for launch.
Send us, SpaceX.
Today is all of our mission. You are launching with us.
A lot of the questions that human beings have asked themselves since the beginning of time are probably out there, and we've barely scratched the surface.
It's having so much fun over here.
You just had your first meal in space. What'd you go with?
Pizza.
End of flight day 1.
You can hear the thrusters firing. The forward bulkhead thrusters are up above our heads.
It was time to explore.
We can't forget about the fallen.
Dragon, you've soared to over 1,400 kilometers, and you're farther from Earth than any other person since the last Apollo mission over 50 years ago.
As we journey around our beautiful planet Earth on this 5-day mission, we wanted to share this special music moment with you.
Alright guys, it's EVA day, day 3. How do you feel?
Ready.
Dragon, SpaceX. SpaceX is go for spacewalk operations. Dragon, you are go to open hatch. So we see it stalled. EV1 is go to continue.
What's that? EV2 is sitting up in there.
Polaris Dawn crew has successfully splashed down.
Dragon, SpaceX, on behalf of the entire team of SpaceX, welcome home.